Hello. If you ever considered expanding into Europe's biggest, yet least saturated market, Russia, this video will help you turn your plans into reality. First, I'm Stanislav Grafsky, a Russian market entry consultant with the longest expertise in Russian market entries in the country, a lawyer, and entrepreneur. Today, I'm happy to announce my unique hands-on pilot coaching and mentoring program, How to Access and Capitalize on Russia, Europe's biggest national market. I'm certain that there are no equivalents to this project in this area, at least to my knowledge. Who will benefit of it? It is both for those who already identified Russia as a target market, as well as those who know little or nothing about it, yet being curious whether their business could seize the Russian market opportunity. This rapid result program is for businesses in internationalization mode, executive and business owners seeking new or alternative markets, entrepreneurs, expert sales directors, and anyone who considers capitalizing on this growing and greatly undervalued market. I designed this program with quick application and execution in mind. I aim to share my 30 years plus hands-on experience in developing business in and with Russia in a concise and highly practical format so that my students could apply this first-hand knowledge right off the bat. The curriculum is adjustable and variable as per participants' needs. The topics include, but not limited to, Russian market attractions and benefits and how to technically capitalize on Russia, lucrative industries, niches, product groups for export and import alike, how to cope with challenges and safely deal with legal issues in Russia, market entry modes in practice, their pros and cons, taxes for both corporates and individuals, tax incentives, tax holidays, Russian manpower, cross-cultural, language and ethnic issues, geography, zoning and its implication on expansion strategy, market entry and expansion execution blueprint development, and many more. In other words, this program will help you learn up-to-date market entry practices in Russia and help you develop your customized expansion plan. The format: live Zoom group weekly sessions with recording and other materials provided to group members. Content and hot seat coaching, small group of participants, highly interactive and intense. Topics variable as per participants' needs. Experts invited, subject to their availability to our changeable curriculum. One-on-one bonus strategy session with me to each member at the end of the program. Length: 8 weekly group sessions up to 90 minutes long, plus one individual one-on-one 60-minute strategy wrap-up session with me. Your investment: $997 payable before session 2. The first session is offered with no upfront payment to enable members decide whether they want to sign up for the entire program. If not, you owe me nothing. There is a special discounted early bird price of $797 at 20% discount that applies if you pay before Tuesday, September the 28th. Enrollment: due to a limited number of seats in the group, the first come first pay first get principle applies. I recommend you to email me immediately upon your payment. This way, I will request you to fill in a brief questionnaire so that I align your critical issues and preferences with the group agenda. See my contact details below the video. The program start. Session 1 starts on Wednesday, the 29th of September at 9 a.m. Pacific or noon in New York, Eastern Time, 5 p.m. in London or Central European Time, or 7 p.m. in Moscow. From session 2 and on, we will likely be meeting every Tuesday at the same time slot. My Zoom link for session 1 and my PayPal account link are below. Please note that my PayPal account is not connected with my email used for email communications for security reasons, so use my PayPal Me link displayed below only for your payment. I look forward to meeting you at session 1 in less than a week from now then. See you soon.